Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The RJR Gleaner Communications Group says it recently obtained a $500 million loan to provide the liquidity needed to facilitate its turnaround program, expected to bear results this year and next year. This after the company lost $666 million last year and another $180 million during the first quarter of this year. Speaking at a recent investor briefing, Group Chairman Joseph Matalon stressed that this 12-month turnaround process will be driven by its digital assets, which will be used to extract more value from members of the diaspora. He also noted that its digital footprint includes 7.3 million followers and 66% share of the Jamaican online audience. Last week, the central bank on Thursday pumped another $30 million into the system. This is the third intervention in the foreign exchange market over the last 7 days, bringing the total to $90 million, and the 20th intervention this year, with a cumulative of $560 million released so far. Mayberry Jamaican Equities has closed this extended and upsized $1.5 billion bond offer 1 week ahead of schedule due to an oversubscription. The two-tranche bond offer was initially set for $1 billion closing on September 12, but was extended to September 26 and upsized to 1.5 billion Jamaican dollars. Mayberry Jamaican Equities is announcing that its directors have chosen to close the invitation on September 18 at 4:30 p.m. due to the oversubscription. The basis of allotment of the bonds will be published on the Jamaica Stock Exchange's website. For the trading period ending September 19, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, Jamaican dollar shares of 7,345,924 units traded, representing 37% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited US dollar shares of 2,881,915 units traded, representing 14.52% of market sales volume. Distribution firm Lasco Distributors Limited with 2,741,920 units traded, representing 13.81% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On September 19, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported $49.06 million purchased and $50.94 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.46 per dollar, selling the US at $160.76 and buying the US at $159.30. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $6.36 per transaction, with selling at $117.93 and buying at $111.57. The British pound yielded Forex traders $5.23 in profits, with selling at $218.85 and buying at $213.62. For our credit report tip of the day, feeling like financial opportunities are out of reach? Limited cash doesn't mean limited potential. Your credit can be a powerful tool to access resources, grow assets, and build lasting wealth. Here's how to use it strategically. Separate personal and business credit. Protect your finances while giving your ventures access to capital. Shop for loan options wisely. A strong credit score lets you compare offers from multiple banks to secure the best terms. Then leverage credit for income-producing assets. Use lines of credit to invest in real estate, businesses, or dividend-generating assets. If you're a professional woman over the age of 45 Watching asset prices soar while feeling left behind can be disheartening. Maybe peers made earlier life decisions that gave them a head start, and you're wondering if it's too late to catch up. But here's the truth. It's not too late. Rebuilding your financial foundation is possible strategically, deliberately, and confidently. Step 1, assess where you stand. Step 2, reframe your mindset. Step 3, prioritize cash flow and investment strategy. Step 4, strengthen your financial team. Step 5, take action, not excuses. You may feel behind, but with clarity, strategy, and consistent action, you can rebuild and thrive even in a market where asset prices feel out of reach. Your financial comeback is possible, and it starts today. And that wraps up today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.